Hello! First and foremost, congratulations on being selected for your NICE trip. We look forward to working together to ensure a smooth and safe and fun experience for everyone. The first presentation will focus on student expectations as a traveler and as a member of the Newtown High School student community. First, we must stress that this is a school trip. This means any rules that apply to the school, for example, not drinking, smoking, damaging of property, not leaving school early, etc., also apply to the trip. Any student who does not follow school rules or behavioral expectations of the trip will be sent back to the United States with a chaperone at the expense of the parents. They will face the same disciplinary consequences as outlined in the school code of conduct and the same legal consequences they would find in the United States. Outside of school hours, students are expected to behave in a respectful manner with their homestay family. For example, if they have rules about curfew or the length of showers, these are now the rules of the Newtown student as well. As a student, you are now an ambassador of Newtown High School and the United States of America. There are some expectations to ensure a smooth trip for everyone. Please be sure to arrive on time to every assigned meeting place as outlined by chaperones. Failure to arrive on time impacts the whole group and may mean a missed experience. Do not engage in any risky behavior. For example, do not use any vehicles or go out alone during the trip. It's also wise to stay with your host and to never be alone. Students must find a time to meet with their Newtown High School teachers, preferably before the trip, to find out what work they are missing and are responsible for. They are responsible for all missed work and must complete the work within 5 days of returning from the trip. We recommend that you get the work before you leave on your trip if possible, to be able to do it in the airport or on the plane. Please be sure to communicate immediately if there are any concerns. From sickness to an uncomfortable situation at home, student health and safety are our top priorities. With student health, we ask that students and parents please fill out the health form with information as soon as possible and let the chaperones know if there's something that they should be aware of. Students are responsible for administering their own medications. However, if a chaperone would potentially need to be of assistance at some point, for example, some students may have an allergy and need help with an EpiPen, we ask that the student communicate with their chaperone. And that's it. Again, communication is key. If any students or parents have any concern whatsoever, the first line of communication is with the chaperones on the trip, and the next communication is with the program director. Have a safe trip.